Got the toolbox all squared away. I've got miscellaneous stuff up here. The engine puller, the ball joint puller, you know, extra lug nuts, stuff like that. But in here, it's all the stuff to do brakes, some fasteners, other fasteners, you know, and over here, the angle grinder, my big impact, all the discs, and an assortment of razor blades. This is all for electrical, so battery terminal cleaner, soldering iron, all that stuff. Screwdrivers, smaller things, you know, odds and ends, these weird, like Allen ones. Some stuff for drilling. Got this and a pick set for getting out, you know, your little grommets and stuff. All my hammers, pry bars, and snap ring tool. All my big sockets, both torque wrenches, and some little adapters for putting the sockets on drills. This is just wrenches, and then my extensions and some pliers. Got the Dremel, all the Dremel bits, tap and die set, and all my stuff for drilling, and then my regular socket set. And then this drawer just has a heat gun. This drawer is still completely empty, but this drawer has my welder, all the welding stuff, and then all of my polishing stuff. Only because this big polisher won't fit in any other drawer. But yeah, really stoked about that. Finally have a nice toolbox. Huge difference. All my tools have a home. And then this dresser is all woodworking tools. Sander, some more drills. I've got a pocket hole set, stuff like that. I've got all my screws, nails, other fasteners in here. And then down here is just the router, a drywall drill that I could probably throw away because I'll never use it, and all my router bits. But it's nice to have a home for all these tools. But now my pegboard is empty. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, or if I'm going to take it down. But definitely looks a little bit cleaner in here. So, super pumped about that. I'll keep going. Hopefully I'll have it more organized soon. Thanks for watching.